Hello, I'm Christoph, the Product Manager at Gravity Global. Today we are pleased to present you an overview of the latest enhancement of Gravity version 1.31. Let's explore these details together now. We begin with the introduction of mobile support for announcements. This significant upgrade ensures your communications are seamlessly accessible on all devices, including mobile devices now. Administrators can activate this feature effortlessly. An additional configuration setting has been added to the announcements edit mode, allowing for precise control over how these messages are displayed on mobile platforms. In understanding the dynamic natures of business environments, we've introduced the ability to easily restore deleted callouts. This functionality acts as an essential safety measure, ensuring that inadvertent deletions do not interrupt your information flow. Expanding our data analytics capabilities, authors now have access to detailed statistics for callouts even after deletion for a duration of 30 days. This enhancement provides invaluable insights into your communications performance and engagement metrics post-deletion. Security remains a top priority. The new self-service password change feature within BerryCenter significantly enhances security protocols. BerryCenter users are now empowered to update their password, minimizing dependence on administrative assistance and enhancing data protection. Lastly, we are pleased to streamline the process of incorporating SharePoint images directly into your callouts. These updates eradicate the cumbersome steps previously required, such as navigating through SharePoint image browser details to obtain direct image links for inclusion into callouts. We invite you to leverage this enhancement designed with your productivity in mind. For more information, read the documentation and the release notes. We see you at the next version of Gravity or at the author's call. Auf Wiedersehen miteinander.